Let us talk about the summary of The Old Brown Horse. The poem The Old Brown Horse is written by W.F. Holmes. The poet describes the feeling of a horse that has grown old and looks at the world around him. He no more feels a part of it. He feels a part because a fence of his old age has created this gap. He sees the events and people around him, but finds himself powerless to influence things. Nobody seems to feel his existence while they go about fulfilling their own commitments. In the second stanza, the horse states that though he has grown old, there was a time when he was young and enjoyed the company of his master. He sadly remembers all the good times they had and the bonding they shared, knowing fully well that those days have gone forever. The third stanza says that as the horse wearily spends his time dreaming about the past and watching others go by, there are times when few people from his past do come to see him. They talk fondly about him, which makes him feel nice. It makes him feel wanted when these people remember him. And the last stanza? In the last stanza, the poet requests or urges we people to come around him and give him a touch which he misses too much. Since he has grown old, he can't reach out to the people he longs for some form of kindness from them and wishes that they spent time with him in the last days of his life. So, this summary has to be copied by you in your English notebook. Now comes the annotation. You have to annotate the following lines. Sometimes a friendly soul will stop near the fence where the tired old head rests wearily on the topmost bar and a friendly word is said. Then the old brown horse gives a little sigh as he feels the kindly touch of a hand on his mane or shaggy coat, and he doesn't mind so much. And you know that the annotation is written in three paragraphs. First is the introduction, which says that these lines are taken from the poem The Old Brown Horse by W.F. Holmes. Then comes the second paragraph, the central idea. The poem basically looks at the human relationships in which every person has to go through the good and bad situations. This is explained through the life of an old horse who has become lame, half blind, and not cared for anymore. The poet urges us to be kind and loving to such animal and people in our lives. And the next paragraph is the explanation, in which the lines have been explained. As the horse wearily spent his time dreaming about the past and watching others go by, there are times when few people from his past do come to see him. They fondly talk to him, which makes him feel nice. It makes him feel loved and wanted. Children, the central idea will remain same for the poem. The introduction will remain same for the poem, but the explanation part will vary according to the lines that have been asked to you. So all these things you have to copy very neatly in your English notebook.